Welcome back to the Cozy Cottage Homestead. This is going to be a really short video. Just want to show y'all that I did get enough cucumbers to make me one canner full of kosher dill pickles. These were cut into spears. No, I didn't make a video on it because I don't really have an exact recipe, and plus it was just one batch, but they all sealed and they look absolutely wonderful. And I actually have already tasted some. I am horrible about waiting a couple of weeks for them to finish in their little pickling process. Oh my gosh, I just one of those kind of people that just absolutely enjoy some homegrown, fresh, canned kosher dill pickles. And yes, the tomatoes are coming in. So this was the cherry tomatoes with some of the black cherry tomatoes, and they are actually huge. And as you probably can guess, I'm going to be running in a small batch of tomatoes here pretty soon. I'm going to probably do about 7 of them in pints. You know, even though it seems like it's just a small batch, but to tell you the truth, when you don't have a lot of counter space, it actually is the best thing that you can do is stay busy and preserve little bits as they come in. And I am almost positive that I have enough sitting right here for at least 7 pints, maybe more. And also, even though it's not a bushel of peppers, it is a basket full of homegrown bell peppers. Now I will probably just chop these up and put them in the freezer. We go through them pretty fast, and if I become overwhelmed with bell peppers now they're coming in, I will definitely put some in the solar dehydrator and let them dehydrate outside on my porch. So this is why we love homesteading, when all your hard work pays off. It's nothing like eating fresh straight from the garden. And yes, we have enjoyed several tomato sandwiches. We've been eating as many as we can, but eventually the produce comes in quicker than you can use it up. And whenever that happens, it's time to put your homesteading skills to work and start canning some of your goods. So I think that's all. I just wanted to give a quick little update. It's alright to be little bitty and do a little bit at a time and do what you can while you can. Keep prepping, keep preparing, and remember, it's hot right now, but it won't be long and it will soon be winter. And then all your hard work again has been put to a good use. I'm thinking about the hard work right now as, well, it's just part of life. But I'm also thinking about the rewards come winter when I have fresh canned tomatoes in all of my favorite winter recipes. Especially homemade chili. So farewell, homestead family, friends, and neighbors from the Cozy Cottage Homestead.